Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about chemistry, atomic structure. Thomson's model of the atom. This is the model of the Thomson's atomic model. It is also called plum pudding model. How electrons and protons are arranged in the atom. This is the first model of the J.J. Thomson. He discovered how the electrons and protons are arranged. So it is called plum pudding model. According to this model, an atom is a uniform positively charged sphere in which electrons are embedded like dry fruits in a spherical pudding. So electrons are embedded in the just like dry fruits. So it is known as plum pudding model. But Thomson model was not accepted. In this model, he said that total positive charge of the atom was equal to the total negative charge. An atom would become negative charge if it gained electrons and positive charge if it is lost electrons. This model was failed to explain many experimental observations. Discovery of nucleus. In 1911, Lord Rutherford, a New Zealand scientist, conducted an experiment to find the arrangement of electrons and protons in the atom. In this experiment led to the discovery of a small positive charged nucleus in the center of an atom. This is the experiment, Rutherford's alpha particles scattering experiment. This is the gold foil, alpha particles. These particles are alpha rays. These are alpha rays, undeflected alpha rays, but these are small deflection. But this is the strong deflection to the back. Rutherford bombarded a thin sheet of gold, 0.00004 centimeters thickness, with alpha particles in an evaluated chamber. His observations is that most of the alpha particles passed straight through the foil without any deflection. A small fraction of them were deflected from their original path by small angles. Only a few particles bounced back. Above this experiment, Rutherford conclusion that most of the space in an atom was empty because alpha particles went straight. There was a heavy positive charged mass in the atom which causes deflection of a small fraction of alpha particles. Positive charged mass is very small and it is centrally located because only few particles bounced back. Based on this experiment, Rutherford suggested that a model for structure of the atom is called Rutherford's atomic model. Alpha particles. Alpha symbol is, this is the alpha symbol. Alpha particles are positive charged, +2 alpha 4. +2 means +2 is the 2 units of positive charge, 4 is the always mass. They are formed removal of 2 electrons from the helium. So this is the electrons in the orbits. Orbits are shells, same. This is nucleus. Rutherford atomic model. In this model, an atom consists of two parts. First, the centrally located nucleus. Second one, outer circular orbits. Nucleus, it is centrally located and positively charged mass. Entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. It is the densest part of the atom. Orbits. Electrons revolve in circular orbits or shells in the space available around the nucleus. An atom is electrically neutral. The number of protons and number of electrons is equal. This model is similar of the solar system. In the solar system, the sun is at the center and planets revolve around it. Same as the atom, electrons revolve around the nucleus containing protons. This is the central nucleus, the center protons. So outside orbits have electrons. In the solar system, the center and the sun. Outside the planets are revolving around the sun, same as the atom. The electrons revolve around the nucleus. This model could still not explain the stability of the atom. Discovery of neutrons. The mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus in the form of protons, since electrons were negligible mass. So protons are the mass concentrated in the nucleus, but comparison to the protons, the electrons mass are negligible. But it was discovered that the nucleus had greater mass than could be accounted the protons alone. It was realized that there was a third type of subatomic particle in the nucleus, and it is neither negative nor positive. So what is the particle? That is the neutron. So in the nucleus, protons and neutrons are present. 1932, James Chadwick discovered neutrons. It had no charge. Neutron mass is almost equal to a proton, 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Properties or characteristics of neutrons. Mass of neutron is slightly more than a proton, 1.676 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams compared to 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. So, neutron mass is slightly more than protons. Neutron is electrically neutral, no charge. Atoms of same element may differ in neutrons number, leading to the formation of isotopes. In the next class, we will discuss about what is the isotopes. Properties of subatomic particles. Subatomic particles means electrons, protons, neutrons. This is the particle, symbol, charge, atomic mass. Electron, symbol -1, E, 0 or electron. So charge -1, atomic mass 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. Proton, symbol +1, P, 1. 1 is always mass, +1 is unit. Positive unit. Charge is +1. Atomic mass 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Neutron. Neutron symbol 0, N, 1. So there is no charge. So always write the symbol N also. Charge 0. Atomic mass 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.